Welcome to Tips and Tricks for SLS Printing. Today I want to talk about compliant hinges and how to incorporate them in your design. A compliant hinge is an X-shaped construction that allows for a rotational movement over one axis by bending the leaf spring elements. A 3D model can easily be modeled with CAD software, and you can do a quick FEM analysis to check the behavior before 3D printing it. You can have multiple hinges in your model to make more complex movements, like in this model with 4 hinges. For a more practical example, have a look at this gripper. It is a print-in-place model, meaning it has been printed as one part, no assembly required. To allow the parts to move freely, there is a tiny gap between them. This is also shown in the generated G-code. These gaps, however, are causing some unwanted play in the bearings. To prevent that, the gripper was redesigned with compliant hinges. After the FEM analysis, the 3D model was sliced and printed in PA12. Now the gripper can be directly mounted to a NEMA 17-stepper motor. This was just an example of how to use SLS 3D printing for practical applications. For more information, go to ALLshape3d.com.